What was the toughest scene for you to film in the series, and why? Everybody.
I think the toughest scene, I can speak for most of us, was the river crossing sequence that we had in the climax of our show, which is a very exhilarating scene for you to watch, but for us was a very technical and also slightly dangerous scene to shoot because it's a 70-80 meter wide river flowing and ends with a waterfall.
Yeah.
So
And we have the harnesses and
and
stuff,
we just had these harnesses on these boys for safety, but I mean, it was one of those things where I was panicking, thinking, shit, if something goes wrong, I don't want one of you boys to be flowing away with the river. That would have been a tragic end. But it went off. But it went off really well, and I think that but it was very difficult to shoot that one.
And I think even technically, when we shot the close-ups in that tank,
yeah, that was very exciting as well.
That was very
some
exciting,
cool
but it was.
technology we used.
Also
But it
वो
was
लेक वाला भी जहाँ से पानी आता है और हम खोद रहे हैं उसको and we were very मतलब गीले हो रखे हैं.
Oh yeah, that was
The trench
digging.
the trench digging.
It was also very difficult.
I loved all the camp scenes that we shot. Those were my favorite things when we did the camp scenes, and I especially like that one scene inside the little this thing that we shot with the two of you, where you bring him the kheer and you're trying to patch up with him.
Yeah.
That was a good scene.
Very good. मैंने दूध मांगी थी खीर ले आया.
Chayan, for you, any?
The toughest scene, I think there were a lot of physically taxing scenes. Particularly, there's a snooker scene in the show where he wants me to have a perfect shot, and I kept trying, and eventually,
And you did
but it took a lot of takes to get there.
So, who did you become the closest to in all four of us?
I guess I'm close to everyone.
But
Like any one person.
One
I
person.
cannot, closest क्या होता है?
होता है.
मतलब ऐसा कोई
Like one
नहीं,
person
नहीं,
that, like obviously there is one. All you have like one favorite amongst everyone. So
No,
who is that for you?
नहीं नहीं
And
ऐसा
everybody is
कोई-
gonna
I'm
be
telling
favorite
you,
too.
I'm telling you,
इससे सबसे ज्यादा बात होती है.
नहीं नहीं आई एम टेलिंग यू कोई भी ऐसा इतना पर्टिकुलर है नहीं मेरे लिए फेवरेट क्योंकि मतलब सभी है क्योंकि मैं सबसे ही बराबर बात करता हूँ. गौतम से मुझे जिस बारे में बात करना चाहती है और जो टेक अवे वाली बात थी मैंने उनसे उसकी एक्टिंग स्किल्स ली, आपसे क्रिएटिविटी सीखी. ओके तने ने भी मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया, चैन ने भी मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया. तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सबके लिए एक
But I
bond
think
है,
that's
एक
right
proper
because
bond है.
for Tushar, like, you know, what even over the past 1.5 years since we have this Instagram group, he's been a constant source of
Yes.
reels and entertainment for us.
ये वो
Yeah.
glue stick है जो
Yeah.
पूरे group
Yeah.
को
Yeah.
hold
बांधे
करके
रखे.
To
रखेगा.
keep our boys in unity. You know, yeah, stick to the mission again.
We're in a building called One Unity.
One person that you got closest while shooting.
Ranveer.
You won't get an answer from me, yaar. I can't.
Okay, like if you put it in a way where you have a scenario where you are in trouble, okay,
Yeah.
and you have to call someone among these four only, and you have no other option. Who will you call?
I will not call them if I'm in trouble. I'll call
Because
my
we are the trouble
I'll
only.
call my mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tanay?
I think, like, I don't think there's anybody in particular, but, you know, originally we were
करो
all
script करो.
नहीं script नहीं. It was all like there was a lot of diversity in our backgrounds and in our worldviews and you know, a lot of things, and so I got to learn a lot and you know, I've become close to everyone, and every time something little happens, like memories come back. Like, for example, you know, Tushar introduced me to Sidhu Moosewala and Punjabi music, and even today he was teaching me some Punjabi songs and a lot of other things culturally about Central India and Delhi, and so did Gautam, even though he's younger than me, he has some experiences that are far ahead. And, you know, Chayan's been always fun to you know, brainstorm with and talk about different ideas, and obviously Vishwajoy and I have like so many similar interests, you know, from watches to F1 to tennis to yeah, everything.
So, did you guys watch any particular movie for the show to take an inspiration for your character?
Band of Brothers, Laksh. We also watched a lot of things which were non-military because a lot of the show is about growing up and
Friends
that
and-
part of your life. So I think that one thing that was important is that yes, there was a lot of military stuff that we watched, but we also made it a point to, during our sessions at my place, we would watch some movies about just coming of age dramas and
Fourth
movies
wall
like-
breaking and stuff.
Yeah, Ferris Bueller's Day Off.
The in-betweeners.
The In-Betweeners. Yeah.
Did you guys meet any real life military person or like a cadet
Yeah.
to
Yeah,
understand
all
their
the
life.
time we were training with, you know,
So they were
ex-army
there on the
men.
set, or like
Yes.
how was it?
We had people on set.
Yeah,
all the
yeah.
time.
we were shooting
yeah.
in Bombay Sappers in Pune, which is a military facility, military unit of the army, and so we had a lot of people just around
Yeah.
us all the time.
So how are they like when you meet the real life cadets? Like, did you like connect with them as your character was also similar?
Yeah, you meet them and you can tell that they've lived a very rich life in
Yeah.
a way. You know, the kind of pressure that they've been through and they've come out of it. It's definitely something to take from.
Yeah.
I think if you met them, like you can sense they are not ordinary. कुछ ना कुछ है उनके पास, मतलब वो खड़े भी हैं तो इस तरह से खड़े हैं कि मतलब सेंस कर सकते हो कि रूम में वो आने वाले हैं. So they have this aura. वो बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छा था.
Okay. So while training, any kind of one incident which made you feel very, broken, or like which was very like you felt like I can't do like more than this or something like that.
No, I
ऐसा तो
think
हमारे-
yeah,
भाई,
all of us motivated each other so
Yeah.
much that I don't think either of us ever felt like, you know, we wanted to back down or
I
tap
think
out.
that although that trench scene I think was particularly tough because your boots were filled with water
Yeah.
and drenched and it was
Yeah.
getting really
Just very,
heavy.
yeah.
And to do that must have been
I
was
think,
one of the
you
days
know,
I think you
when,
guys were
when we
little.
were in Pune
Yeah.
and we used to come like let's say at 11 in the night and then again next morning you have like an early shoot. The relief there was that like it's not just me, like all of us kind of
Everybody's
have to
gonna
get
get
up
it,
and
yeah.
like all of us have gotten free at this point. So I
Yeah.
think you get those moments but then you have people around to kind of do it
Yeah.
with them with, so that
Yeah, there was a lot of solidarity.
Yeah.
in
There
how
was a
we
lot
went
of,
about it.
yeah.
And it wasn't just the actors. I think everybody in the crew really
Yeah.
like went through hell, which
Yeah.
you know, for some reason they were so passionate about the show,
Yeah.
and we really wanted to make it and give our best, and that came out.
and a shout out to Shayanto yaar, he's like a very
Yeah.
close friend
Very
of
integral
ours
part of this whole
who's
thing.
also kept
Shayanto
this
and
project
Soham.
going and Soham
And
who's
Soham
sitting right
are,
there.
Huge shout out to Shayanto and Soham.
who have
And
actually
every
kept
single
the project going even before we
Yeah.
got on
Yeah.
board.
But even before we got on board.
So-
Shortly, yeah, shortly.
Yeah.
Watch it for them.
One message that youth will take away from the show.
One message that the youth will take away from the show.
Oh.
Any of you?
I think that the clear message that this show hopefully conveys as you watch it is that you don't need to have everything figured out. You will figure things out along the way with the help of the people that are around you. And I think this show is about that they all come into the academy with certain ideas and
Yeah.
notions in their head and a lot of confusion. But I think those things get clarified as things go along. And that's what I think the youth should, this thing is feel no pressure to be like,
Yeah.
मेरे को ये बनना है, ये करना है, ये होना है. You will figure it out by and by, and you'll have a lot of people around you to help you
Yeah.
become that person.
I think enjoy the process. Don't worry about the destiny.
Right.
Yeah.
Destination. Enjoy the journey.
Enjoy.
Chan, what do you?
भूल गया यार मैं तो सब है.
I'm just trying to think of something smart.
Tushar. Tushar, meanwhile, you can
करेक्ट
answer.
शो से इंस्पिरेशन आप ये लग सकते हो कि जस्ट कीप गोइंग, जैसा कि गौतम ने बोला कि जस्ट एंजॉय द जर्नी, डोंट वरी अबाउट द डेस्टिनेशन. तो हाँ यार, प्रोसेस पे ध्यान दो, इतना कोई चीज़ सोचो मत, डोंट वरी. बाकी आउट ऑफ द शो कोई एक एडवाइस दूंगा तो ये दूंगा कि जो बाइक लेनी है वो बाइक खरीदो, जो कार लेनी है वो कार खरीदो, जो कपड़े पहनना है, जो खाना खाना है वो खाना खाओ, जिंदगी जियो. कल की परसों की नरसों की किसी की मत सोचना, आजू बाजू की किसी की मत सोचना. तुम्हारी जिंदगी सिर्फ तुम्हारी है, तो खुल के जियो जैसे हम लोगों ने जिए कैडेट्स में.
और दोस्त बनाओ यार. दोस्त बनाने.
दोस्त बनाओ, दोस्त
I think
दोस्त अच्छे होते हैं
teamwork
ना,
is
जिंदगी
one
अच्छी हो
thing
जाती
that
है.
I think people should take from the show. I personally used to be very individualistic, but I realized that with a strong team and everyone, applying their let's say the skill that they're good at, that's when you can really create magic. Unlike you trying to do everything by yourself. So I think that way teamwork is something that the show really brings out.
100%.
Yeah.
कभी मुश्किल में फोन करना, हम नहीं उठाएंगे.
Yeah, we're done.